Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to import contact from SIM card on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to import contact from SIM card on your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on contact. On our exit, scroll down, click on apps, and then click on contact as well. So scroll down, click on contact. Once you selected contact, to import your contact from SIM card on your iPhone, scroll down, locate import SIM contact and click on it. Then you see import SIM contact to account. So which account you want to import your SIM contact to? So import it to this particular account. So select the account, you should see importing SIM contact, and after that you are good. Now if you go back to your contact page, and then you should see all your contacts combined to one page. So that is exactly how to import contact from SIM card on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.